button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright,
So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about what system I'm currently running in the Scion. But before we get into that, I need to install some Dynamat on my license plate because I got a little bit of rattle on my license plate. So let's install the Dynamat and we'll get talking. I'm going to be putting this on the actual trunk lid because I'm going to be getting a custom plate. So let's talk about the system. First up front, we got the Power Acoustics BAMF, Bad A MFer, if you want to know what that stands for. It is a 5,000 watt monoblock Class D amplifier. In the box is a Q-Power Q-Bomb 8V. It's a dual 8 ported box. Each sub has 1 cubic feet per sub. Alright, the subs are a Scar Audio ZVX-8D2. Each sub is 1100 watts peak, 900 watts RMS. This is a 2 ohm sub and each sub requires 1.25 of cubic feet. The box is a little bit too small for the subs, seeing how it's only 1 cubic feet per sub and it requires 1.25. That's kind of the reason I inverted the subs, to try to make up for some of the lost space. And for the wires, it's a Soundbox VSK-0. These are 0 gauge wires and they're rated for 5,500 watts. And that's just a Walmart fire extinguisher. So the whole sub system setup is roughly around $710. And I'll give y'all a little bit of a preview of what it sounds like without getting copyrighted. I'll turn it up too loud because it only just distorted. have it. That's the system I'm running in the Scion. Hopefully the camera picked it up good enough to where it just doesn't sound distorted. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.